Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you locally a very interesting project, thankfully open sourced by Adobe, where you can use this tool Magic Fixup backed by a model to edit the images locally in a style. We will be installing this tool locally and then we will also edit an image. Thankfully, they have also shared a Gradio demo which we will be installing that makes it so easy to get it installed and work through it. Before I show you the installation, let's have a quick look as what exactly this project is all about. If you go through their research paper, which is powering this project, it is quite interesting. What they have done is that they have proposed a generative model that, given a coarsely edited image, synthesizes a photorealistic output that follows the prescribed layout as you can see on this animation on your screen. The method transfers fine details from the original image and preserves the identity of its parts, yet it adapts it to the lighting and context defined by the new layout. The key insight is that videos are a powerful source of supervision for this task. Objects and camera motions provide many observations of how the world changes with viewpoint, lighting, and physical interactions. They construct an image dataset in which each sample is a pair of source and target frames extracted from the same video at randomly chosen time intervals. They also have warped the source frame towards the target using two motion models that mimic the expected test time user edits. There is a lot of other cool detail in this project page and I will drop the link in video's description which you can read through at your leisure. Also, if you want to access the code and model, just click on this code and you should be able to get it. Okay, so let's go and try to install it. Let me give a huge thanks to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. This is my Ubuntu system where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Hopefully this should be enough for this Gradio demo. Let me clear the screen. Let's first git clone the repo of Magic Fixup. That is done and I am already into that directory Magic Fixup. Next, create a Conda environment and I would highly recommend that you install Conda because that will create a virtual environment and it will make it so easy to get this thing installed. If you don't know how to install Conda, please search the channel. I already have done few videos on it. So let's install the Conda environment. This is going to take a bit of a time. So let's wait for it to finish. And it took around 5 minutes, but eventually it is all installed. And then let's activate the Magic Fixup and you will see that it is in parenthesis. Next up, let me clear the screen and now let's download the checkpoints of the model. So I'm just going to use the wget command and this link and don't worry about all of these commands. I'm going to put them in my blog and I will drop the link in video's description so that you can just copy paste and do it. So let me download this and clear the screen. And the checkpoint is now downloaded and as you can see that this is a file of the model and the size is just over 7 gigs. So make sure that you have that much space on your local system. Let's clear the screen and now installation is done. In order to run this in a Gradio demo, all you need to do is to run this command. Let me paste it here. And this is a command which we need to run where we are using the Python script provided by them in their repo with the checkpoint switch and the path to your checkpoint. So let me run it. And it is downloading some other stuff. So let's wait for it to finish. And it is now running at port 7860 on our local host. So let me go to my browser and access it now. And this is where our Magic Fixup is running. You can simply drag and drop the image or select any image from your local system. So let me go and select any of the images which I want to edit. Maybe I'll just go with this one. And now you can simply edit it, as we need both the original image and the edited image for this demo. So I don't have the edited one. So what I have done is I have just gone scroll down and I have grabbed their example, as you can see from here. And at the top there is a original image, and downwards there is an edited image. So you can see that this is a course edit which I was mentioning earlier. And then if you scroll down and then click on submit, it is going to process it. So let's wait for it to come back. It is going to take a bit of a time. And you can also check out the progress here. As soon as you click on it, it is doing the sampling with 50 timestamps. And there you go. So there is our edit as per this course edit which we have done here. So this was the original one, and then when it was edited and it was placed here, then you can see that it has edited it perfectly well. And now let's check out another example where we have this original image, we have this course edit here, as you can see. Let me click on submit. It would be really cool if we could also course edit our own images here, but there is no option as far as I can see. If you look here, you see that it is doing the 50 samplings. Let's go back, and there you go. It has done it perfectly well. So really works really amazing with the given input output. Let's try out one more. Maybe I'll just go with this one. And then let's go up. So let's see. This is the original one. And then this is the course edit one. Let's click here. Let's wait for it to come back. Shouldn't take too long. And there you go. How good is that? Really, I mean, works really well with input images. Hopefully they will also release a demo where we could edit the image in place. That will be awesome. Okay, so if you go to their project page, you will see that they have shared a lot of good information. For example, this is their high level approach. Primarily it is coming from, as I mentioned earlier, from training the videos, and this is, we are just taking it as a reference. This is a target, and then it just flows through it. This is about one. This is where Magic Fixup comes into play, and this is our output. So pretty nifty concept, I must say. There you go. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.